What is going on, guys? And before this video starts, I just want to give a quick notice. Obviously, as you guys can see, 40% of you guys watching my videos are not subscribed. So I'm just gonna ask, if you guys watch my videos, do not forget to subscribe. Remember to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified any single time I upload. Remember to like, share the video with your friends. Anyway, thank you for that, guys. But now we're going on to the video. See you there. What is going on, guys? It is your boy VisualTubes 3D here, back with another video. And this is part 2 of how you are going to make your 100k YouTube play button. Now, with a lot of research, I don't know why I was finding it so hard to do what I was doing, but now that I've done the research and everything, and now that I've polished it up, I'm thinking that now I'll be able to come with you guys with a much more clean, much more accurate, much more precise video tutorial. So let's just hop straight into it. As you can see, guys, we are just exactly where we left off. As you can see, we've got our pizza circle here and we have our cube. What we're going to do is we're just going to go to edit mode. We're going to delete this face, so we're just going to click X and delete faces. Just like that, just simple, just like so. And now what we're going to do from here is we're going to go back to object mode. We're going to select this pizza circle, go back to edit mode, and we're going to just click A to select everything. From here, we're going to go to the wireframe. We're going to extrude this YouTube plaque back. And now, as you can see, we actually have the YouTube play button symbol there. And now from here, what we're going to do is we're just going to go on move, and we're just gonna move it back, because obviously we don't want the YouTube logos actually not supposed to be in line with how much the overall YouTube symbol's been pushed back. So that is actually what it's supposed to look like. And if we go back to the normal thing, there we go, and there we have it, just simple, just like that. Now this is just going to be one specific object. So just go back to edit mode first of all. Go to the wireframe. We can just fill. We can hold on a minute. We can just go to edges. We can fill this entire thing here. Click F, and there we have it. There we have it. Now we've got this background. And then from here, what we can do is go back to object mode. And then again from here, now we go to this. And now same thing again. I had to reverse the steps, obviously, because I wanted to fill in the back part first. But anyway, just the same thing, Control J, and now that's one whole thing. Now we go back to edit mode. From here, what we're now going to do is we need to connect all of these faces to here to finish off our product. So we're just gonna, you guys can do it however you want, just do it in a way that's easier for you. I would suggest I'm going to do mine like this, just to make it plain and simple. Select everything just like that. Simple. Fill. Like so. Alright, now we've done that, we can do the exact same thing, the parts below. So just again select every single one of these. In fact, no, let's go a bit more underneath. Let's do it like, let's do it more like this, makes it easier. Click F, just like that. And now from here we're gonna go to the vertices, because this part we have to get really specific if we're gonna fill in every single one of these. So starting from here, the block where the attached thing stops, you're gonna select it. You're gonna select every other mesh and the parts where the corner parts are connecting and are not filled in. You're gonna select everything. As you can see, we have filled that in. Now we're going to do the exact same with the other side. So the problem I was having is that originally, and I'm just going to say it again for anyone that may have been fast forwarding, anytime you want to connect two objects together, you always have to control and join them. Therefore, they will become one mesh and join together and become one. So go to wireframe, go to X, select every single one of these blocks, of these vertices right here, and get rid of anything you don't want. Just get rid of anything. Get rid of anything you don't want. Just like that. Apologies for that, guys. I'm back. Anyway, from there, what we're gonna do now is we are going to right click, obviously, and we are going to click separate by selection. Now that we separate by selection, if we go back to object mode and we click, now this is cube 0.01. Now we grab it and we can move it. Now this is its own individual mesh again. So click Ctrl Z, put it back in place where it belongs. And now if we go to object mode, I think we're already in object mode, but we go back to the material review. Now what we need to do is we need to now modify this. So we're gonna click on new. Ooh, it's like this is if yeah. Okay. As you can see, guys, we are in the shade editor, and we're just going to add something to this shade editor, because this needs to be modified a little bit. We're going to add a light path. We're going to add a light path, and we are going to go onto reflection ray, and we are going to put that into metallic. We're going to put that in. We're going to connect that into metallic, just like that, like so. So now if we go down and start to edit, now we can start to edit this play button symbol. And as we know, the actual symbol itself, not the play logo, but the background of it actually has transmission. It's actually kind of translucent and see-through. So we're going to give that exact same effect to the play button. As we can see here, we have a translucent play button. If we bring the roughness down to about 3.95, as you can see, that is actually realistically what the play button thingy looks like. Simple as. And now what we're going to do from here is we are going to we're gonna add my name onto the YouTube play button. But first, actually, I'm jumping into steps too much here. We're gonna wanna make it different. So, as you guys can see here, this is we've made a completely new material. So what we're gonna want to do, we're gonna want to bring the metallicness of this all the way up. That is a clean finish. That looks very nice. I really like it like that. And the reflection ray it really adds to the play button. It really adds to it. Like, that looks so sick. I don't even think we need to play with anything else. Is there a need? Honestly. Does this just look as good as it is already? I actually think it does. We might as well leave it like that, guys. Leave it maybe bring it down a little bit if you don't want it too shiny. I think there's the perfect place to do it. And then from here, what we're now going to do is we are going to add in our name. So if we go to add, let's just go to Y to make it easier. Now we're going to go to add text, and from here we are going to click RX90, just like that. And we're obviously going to now go into the Z, and we're just going to rotate this 90 degrees like that. So now obviously it's facing the correct way. We're going to scale it to make it bigger. We're going to click tab, and we're going to type in Visual Tube 3D. Actually, no, yeah, there we go. Tab. Simple as. Now we're just going to move this to the center. We're going to put this here. We're going to scale it down. Move it to roughly about the center. And now from here, what we're going to want to do is we're going to again want to add a modifier. So from here, we are going to want to add in a shrink wrap modifier. And now from here, as we can see, our target is going to be the QD thing here. We are going to convert it. If we go to, convert to mesh. Convert to mesh. Now, again, we are going to go to the add modifier. Add the modifier. Again, go to shrink wrap. Why can I not find it? Where is it? Oh, there you are. Alright, now, we're going to select target. Do that, apply. And yeah, there we go. It's applied. But we're not done yet. We're going to step this up a little bit of a notch. We're going to add a new text for the visual tube. And we are going to do the exact same thing. We are just going to bring the transmission up quite a bit. And we are going to bring the roughness all the way up. And now, if we release it, we have Visual Tube 3D on a YouTube play button. And if you guys even want to do this for extra detail, I'm just being extra, just getting a bit too carried away. Let me just delete all of this, we don't need that. Yeah. Anyway guys, this has been your boy Visual Tubes 3D here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial of how to make a YouTube play button. Any other tutorials you guys want me to do, suggest it. Put it down in the comment section. Remember to share this video. Anyone that's watching this, remember to share this video with your friends. Don't forget to do that. Yeah, it's been your boy Visual Tubes, and I'm out.